So hello everyone. I just recently got this Merkury Innovations Smart Home Control Kit. It comes with two smart outlets or plugs. They're Wi-Fi enabled and comes with two bulbs. And basically these are also Wi-Fi enabled bulbs. They change colors and you can change them using the app that you can download. Comes with a camera. It's I think it's 720p HD. It's okay. It also has an alarm mode, so if there's any movement, it sets out an alarm. And so yeah, I think it's very convenient to have one of these kits in your home. You can control lights on and off from anywhere you have access to Wi-Fi or the internet. And this is the front. I've already taken out the items, but you can see what you can do with the plugs. If you plug in a lamp into the plug, the Wi-Fi plug, you can turn it on from anywhere in the world. So if you're on vacation in the Bahamas, you can turn it on in Germany or wherever you live. You can see the different lights, so you can set different moods. And it comes with two bulbs, so which is pretty good. And yeah, it's one full control kit. And this is the other side. So it's kind of nice. And if you just want white light, you can also just do white light as well. But I don't know if that's the purpose of buying these bulbs. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, 720p motion activated alerts. Camera's okay. There's SD and HD quality in that, but I wasn't very impressed with the camera. Like, it's not one of those really high-tech cameras, but it does the job. So if you want to keep it in your house, or I plan to keep it in my garage, so if I ever want to check to see, oh, did I close the garage, I can always just check and see without actually having to open the door or go down there and check it. Or you could just keep it to watch your pets or your kids or just your nanny or anybody. It's just an indoor camera. So that's pretty much it. I can show you where I plugged it in. So I've plugged in a little plug here, and it's Wi-Fi enabled, although I haven't plugged anything in yet. I just wanted to test it. It's very easy to set up. You just plug it in and you download the app.